Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display total margin amount and margin percentage in repair order form using this Dev repair margin via repair module. You can see here our module Dev repair margin. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, users, and see here this option show repair margin. First allow this for display margin in repair order. Let's save. Now go to repair apps, go to any orders, so you can easily see here display here margin percentage and total margin. Now I add large cabinet. So see here margin percentage and total margin is auto come based on this product. Let's save and also display in below. Thank you.